welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some more Harry Potter potions. To Walmart and picked up 3 more balls. So I won't be doing all 3 today, but I will be doing 1 today. I know I look like Harry Potter's wife right now. Okay, so the ball is all unwrapped. This is just what it looks like. Let's open it. Oh, it didn't even pop open. It usually goes. So these are all the potions that you can get in it. And then there's like really rare ones that you can collect, but that is all of them. I got this one called Dragon's Blood, so that's super cool. And then there's all the instructions, all of that jazz. Keep this in front of me because it could get pretty dangerous if I don't. The table in here if you want to like display it like that. Let's open this. This is the cauldron. So we got a cauldron. What is this? Oh, this is different. Oh, this is different. Oh my god. It's a little stand. Oh, and then there's this little pot. How cute. And it has like the little lid and you just, wait, oh yeah, you just put it on. Look at the little pot. So far, look how cute this is. The little pot. Just take it off and then you just put it back on. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, let's open up this one. Hello? And then there's like this little spoon. We have this one. Let's open. Ooh, this is the ingredients. Cool. We got some ingredients. We got this red or pink powder, yellowish powder. What's in here? This is the blue bag. Oh, this is the least exciting bag. Again with this little corkscrew here, and then the top of it, and then you just put it in here like that, and then you connect it to the top of the ball with the little hole and stuff. And you put it in here. Hello? It's not. Oh, there you go. And then it connects to the top. And then it turns into your own little like personal potion bottle. We've got a funnel. This bag. It's our jars. So they just look like this. There's like their little toppers. They have like these little points on them. It says first off we have to open up the cauldron and then put in some of this like gold yellow powder. My cauldron open. Maybe I can like rip this off now. Take some of this yellowish gold powder. Okay. It says to pour some of the yellow into the cauldron. I hope this is right. Stir it. my funnel and put it in here. Ooh, 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 ooh. So there you go. Got my funnel in, and then it says to pour some of the mixture into this. You guys can see the resin going in. It's going. It's getting there. Let's see. Maybe I can add just a little bit more. There's still a shit ton of resin in here. Okay, it's going. It's going! I think that's it. Haha. It's still coming out. Are you done? It says to add some of the red or pink powder into the resin. That's why I didn't want to add too much of the yellow. Oh, you want to fight with me now, eh? You want... Ugh. Add some of the red into the cauldron and into that yellow. Hopefully there's enough resin in here, because if not, I'm gonna have to empty a little bit of that one out. Okay, I'm stirring up. Ooh, that's a pretty red color. Okay, there's the red one. These fill up pretty quickly, I'm not gonna lie. That was a shit ton of resin, holy. This one's not really going down as easy as the other one. Oh, I just overfilled it. Ugh. I'm back. I got some baby wipes. Can never go wrong with baby wipe. And it's like overpouring. This one just keeps leaking. I don't know if it's broken or what happened. Broke. It's literally leaking out right now. Like, you see that? Back. I had to hot glue the bottom of it. Hopefully that holds it in place. Just until I can get it in some sun, because there's no sun out right now. I can add a little bit more after half of it just poured out. Got both of our potions done. The red one has the bigger topper, so I'm just gonna put top on that one. Oh, there you go. Then we got that one. Okay, so pretty much the last thing that I have to do is put on the little labels. Peel off this label, because this label here, this label goes on the yellow one. The label on there. Oh, it's kind of hard to see because it's like white. This one goes on to the red one. Goes on this red one. The label on. Here I have it all set up. I got my dragon's blood there, my cauldron, my little pot, my little stand, the ingredients, and the spoon, and then the table's under there to keep it in place. How cute is this? So that was the completed look. I hope that you guys did enjoy this. I had a little bit of a hard time with the red one because it was broken. As you guys seen, it was leaking out and I had to seal it, but once the sun comes out, I'll throw the potions in the sun and it will harden. I look forward to making more with you guys, and definitely check these out for yourself if you guys are interested, because they are a lot of fun and really cool to make. We'll talk to you guys in my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys!